What's going on, my fellow tube U's? Hope you're all doing well. In my last video I showed you guys how to remove your side mirror and how to remove your door panel. If you missed those videos and you want to know how to remove the door panel first, I'll leave a link at the top. And today we are going to remove the C5 Corvette door handle, and I will show you guys how to do that right now. First, I have my window down. I'm gonna have to roll that up, so I'm gonna reconnect the door switch. So we're gonna do that now, and we're gonna raise the window. You can remove this switch now. Then we're gonna take this plastic piece off. Just be careful you don't get this black silicone all over you. I'm just gonna pull it back just like that. Stuff's very sticky. And we're just gonna pull it down out of our way. Alright, so for this one that I took off, I'm just gonna show you guys. It slides right in here in this clip. Right, so that's how it goes. What you're gonna do is grab it from this side and pull it towards you till it unclips just like that, and then you're gonna pull this forward just like that. So you're gonna move that to the side. Now you're gonna need either a small flathead or a little pick. You got this tiny little clip here, right here. Now it has a big end and a small end, so it's locked into the small end right now. We're gonna pry up on this just gently because these things snap very easily, and that's what's holding the handle in and this bar. So we're gonna remove that, and I'll show you what the clip looks like when it's removed. Alright guys, so you can see that I have that little clip removed now, and I'll show you what that clip looks like. It's very small. You can see that it has an open end and the smaller end, so it's locked into the smaller end. So what you want to do is let me put the camera down so I can show you guys. What you want to do is pry this side up just a little bit, and then you're able to spin the clip around and push it down and then bring it up, and that's how that clip comes off. Sorry guys for the camera movements, I'm just in a tight spot here, but that's how you remove that clip. It's a bit of a challenge because it's in such a tight space, but it's doable. Alright, hopefully that helped you guys out. Now we're gonna pop this second rail off. Hopefully it comes right off that lock. And it wants to fight me now. It should just come off. There we go. And then you have the second one off. Now we're gonna remove these two 10mm bolts, and the handle should just come right out. We're almost there. We got to remove these two grommets, so I have access to those two 10mm bolts. Put those aside, and there's one of them. That's one of them out. And I might be able to get this other one from the inside with just the ratchet and not using the extension. That is the second one out. So now everything unscrewed, we should be able to just pull this door handle right out. Just like that. On an angle and straight up. Oh my god, look how dirty that is inside. But that's it, guys. That's how you remove your C5 Corvette door handle. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a like, and hope to see you guys in my future videos. Have a good one.